Hi, this is a 3D printed Nerf gun, and it's called the Cricket. It is from Leedle Dynamics. It shoots a Nerf dart. They're supposed to have bungee cord for their rubber band instead of rubber band, but I don't have any, so I just use rubber band. This is comes in like 3 parts, 4 or 5. Comes with 5 parts, and it's actually pretty easy to assemble. It's just a pin here, this thing, and trigger handle. And this thing, it's kind of strong, kind of not, depends on the strength. What you do is you get a Nerf dart, and to load it, just for this specific stringer, you pull this back until it locks into the back area, like right there, and then when you pull the trigger, that thing pushes the band off the back. And then now it's loaded. You can put the dart in. It has to be like that far in. And I actually am probably gonna do assemblies next video.